Tired of hair fall making your shower drain look like a monster's nest? Today, we're diving deep into the Mamaearth Onion Hair Shampoo to see if it can actually tame that hair fall beast. We'll be covering everything from ingredients to lather to, most importantly, results. First, let's talk texture and scent. The shampoo has a surprisingly pleasant, mild, almost herbal smell. Nothing overpowering like some onion products. It's a moderately thick consistency, not too runny. Now, for the lather test, add a little water and work it through your palms. It lathers surprisingly well for a sulfate-free shampoo, creating a decent amount of foam. Apply it to thoroughly wet hair, focusing on your scalp. Gently massage for a couple of minutes to really stimulate the hair follicles and cleanse away buildup. Rinse thoroughly. Make sure you get all the shampoo out to prevent any residue buildup. The moment of truth, after a few washes, does it deliver? As you can see in the before and after, my hair looks noticeably smoother, less frizzy, and feels stronger. I've also noticed a slight decrease in hair fall. Let's quickly touch on ingredients. It boasts onion oil, known for promoting hair growth, and plant-based keratin, which helps repair and strengthen hair. It's also free of sulfates, parabens, and artificial colors, which is a definite plus. Overall, I give the Mamaearth Onion Hair Shampoo a thumbs up. It's a great option if you're looking for a natural, sulfate-free shampoo that can help reduce hair fall and improve the overall health and appearance of your hair.